How to activate Wise Account Philippines. So if you want to activate Wise Account Philippines, then I'm going to show you how to activate your Wise card. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to log into your account with the right credentials. Once you do that, go ahead and in the left menu, you need to select on Cards, which is here on the second option. Once you click on the cards, here you will have order a debit card on the bottom. You need to click on it. And then you need to go and select any card like digital or physical card. I will select digital. After that, you need to select order your digital card. From here, you'll be prompted to how you would like to pay, either your bank transfer or a debit card or a credit card or Swift transfer. So for me, I will select debit card. After that, select continue the payment. Make sure to fill in these information with your Visa, MasterCard or Mastro. After that, select pay this amount. Now, once you do that, you'll find your card ready right here. You just need to simply wait for a couple of moments until the system will process your request. After that, your card should be ready to go and you can use it whenever you want. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.